I genuinely love those little changes that make a house feel more like a home. And recently, we added this beautiful sofa from Kingfun to our living room. We chose this gorgeous beige color because I wanted something warm, neutral, and easy to style. I love furniture that looks aesthetic but is also practical enough to everyday family life. And honestly, this was the quickest sofa assemble we have ever done. We actually enjoy assembling our furniture because for us, it becomes a little family time. We do it together, and now with Archie growing up, he also wants to be involved in everything we do. He watches us and explore the different pieces and is all slowly learning how things work. So even something as simple as assembling furniture becomes a little learning experience for him. The instructions were really clear and straightforward. All you need to do is follow the pages step by step, check the numbers on the different parts, and keep putting everything together like a puzzle. And before you know it, the sofa is ready. And once it was ready, I loved it, how it fitted into the corner of our home. The beige color works beautifully with our existing decor and give the room a much cozier and more finished look. I also really like the design. It has the modern, clean, and aesthetic look, but it doesn't feel like a piece of furniture that's only there to look pretty. It's comfortable, practical, and something we can actually use every single day. And with a toddler, that is really important for us. Our home is in a showroom. It's where we live, play, relax, and spend time together as a family. So I always look for furniture that can fit into everyday life. We can spend so much time here together now, watching something, playing with Archie, having conversations, or simply sitting down with a cup of tea after a busy day at home. And of course, Archie has already made himself very comfortable. I love that this sofa gives us another little space where we can slow down and enjoy those everyday family moments. Another thing I really like is how easy beige is to style. You can keep it minimal and clean or add cushions, throws, and different textures where you want to change the look. Kingfun also has different styles and colors available. So there are options depending on your home and your personal taste. As this sofa has really completed the corner. It's comfortable, it's aesthetic, it's practical, and most importantly, it works for our family together at home. If you're looking for a new sofa or planning a little home makeover, definitely check out Kingfun. And there is currently an exclusive offer available on Amazon with 20% off using my discount code LDCLXKWV. I will leave the product link and discount details in the description so you can easily find them. Thank you so much to Kingfun for sending us this beautiful sofa and being a part of a little home update. And tell me, would you choose a neutral beige sofa for your home